7 minus 8 times 4 divide by what? 8. All right. Now, to solve this question, some people solve this question by starting with this subtraction and multiplication and division like this. 7 minus 3. This is going to give us 4 times 4 divided by what? 8. 4 times 4 is going to give us 16 divided by what? 8. 16 divided by 8 is going to give us what? 2. But this answer is wrong. Right? According to PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Alright, so we are solving using this rule from left to right. So these two has equal priority, multiplication and division, the same as addition and subtraction. Alright, so if we use this rule, so this rule says we have to do multiplication first. So therefore, 7 minus 3 times 4 divided by what? 8. So we are doing this multiplication first. So bring down this 7 minus 3 times 4 will give us 12. Divide by what? 8. Now, what is next? Division. So this 12 divided by 8 we can also write it like this. 12. We can also write this as 12 in a fraction method, fraction way. 12 over 8. Then bring down this minus, also write this in a fraction way, over 1, so that we can balance the equation. Alright guys, so you can use two methods to solve this, but I want us to use you can use the LCM method or the butterfly method. So I want to teach us, let's use the butterfly method to solve this. So we'll draw this angle of the wings like this. So 1 times 12 will give us 12. So let's draw the other angle. 7 times 8 is going to give us 56. Right? So we can put the antenna like this. Now let's draw the body. So 1 times 8 is going to give us 8. Here's multiplication. So now therefore, our answer will be what? This is minus 56 minus 12 is going to give us what? It will give us 44 over 8 times 1 is going to give us 8. Alright, this is improper fraction. So we can change this to, we can also change this to a mixed fraction. 8 will go into 44 how many times? It will go 5 times, alright? It will go 5 times. Remember what? 4, okay? So 4 over 8. So this is for the mixed fraction. So now let's see our decimal answer. Let's see if we can get a decimal answer. So if we draw this line here, put our 44 inside and the divisor, which is 8. Right? Now 8 will go into 44 how many times? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. We subtract. 44 minus 40 will give us 4. Right? Now 8 cannot divide 4, right? So we put point here and add 0. 8 will go into 40 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 8 is give us 40. So 40 minus 40 is going to give us 0. And this is our answer. This is the decimal answer. So guys, we have 3 answers. We have the improper fraction answer. We have the mixed fraction answer. And we have the decimal answer. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.